I will now show you an overview of the project. There is a selection of 3 cars. I can choose their body color and glass color. Notice how the price and specifications update accordingly. If I go to the next car, or previous car, the specifications and colors will reset to default. Now to show you how I put this together. First, I created a car game instance. This only has the variable car that is a skeletal mesh. Over in the level blueprint is where the player's view and widget are set upon pressing play. You can see the camera actor is an input here. I also inputted the player controller into the nodes you can see. The widget uses the car selector class. Inside the car selector widget there are 6 buttons. We will firstly look at the next and previous buttons. Once dragged into the level and named, they are made variables. A car index is created that increases or decreases dependent on whether you click next or previous. This code basically resets any colors selected once the user has clicked next or previous by using the selector class, looping through each material and then setting the material to its default value. The next important thing is how the mesh of the car changes. We get the selector class and its skeletal mesh. Then we cast it to the car game instance. This is where we can set the skeletal mesh of the car by using the getNose with the cars array that was created. This code sets the visibility of the next and previous buttons, meaning the previous button is not present on the first car and the next button is not present on the final car. Now to look at how the colors were changed using buttons. We set the color of the button and make them a variable. This gets the car mesh, checks the current car index, and then I manually checked which material index is for the car's body. So in the sedan's case its body is at element 0 and the set material node sets it to black. Here we can see the sedan's body material is at element 0. The truck needs to have 3 materials changed to make the full body change color. Here is the array of car skeletal meshes that the car index points to. The same thing has been done when you press the blue button, however a different material is used here. These branches make it so the game will not keep charging you if your car has both a body color and a glass color. This adds £50 on if you select a body paint. The body colors and glass colors are both done in the same way, just with a £20 charge for glass color. The price and specification use similar methods, by dragging in a text box and then binding the text to create a function. There is an updated price array that stores the updated price once a user has selected a color, and there is the original price that is used to reset the price once the user moves on to the next car. You can see the updated price being reset here after the next or previous buttons are clicked. This function then uses the updated price array along with the car index and appends with a string to display the price in the text box. The specifications are then all done in a similar way, by binding the text box to a function. A model type string array is created to do this, and then the elements are accessed using the car index. The color text is done in the same way. However, this uses a color index, not the car index, to ensure the cars are correctly colored. Thanks for listening.